Might switch to the black side arm in a bit.
Let me know when you're ready.
I don't even know it's the black side of the board, right? I realise coaching, you have to practice a lot of things to get it precise, because if you don't have control on your side up, you're in trouble.
Yeah. Yeah, start out with curve pressure. Oh, shot. Sorry, Kevin.
Alright.
The loosen. Shot.
Yeah, you might get a few looseners from me as well. I'm going to try and use the black side arm, Kev. Like I say, a few looseners once I get into this. And I've got a big trap nerve in my neck today, man. Dirty. Fucker. One wine. I'm going to get a few of these in. Is it quicker, Kev?
Felt a little bit quicker.
But not that much. Well played. Good bowling, Hem. Waited, Kevlar. Looks like you've inserted the cheat code from ball one this time.
You're doing two, yeah.
I'll get there, Kev. Chuck it back there. Oh.
Oh, that's over. Sorry, I'll get up to you next time.
No, that's fine. Oh yes, Kevin. You know the other day in training, Kevin went fucking super low. He went as low as a Formula 1 car suspension. He went full wishbone on me, man. I've never seen a big guy. I'm surprised he went down and his knee didn't pop out. Waited. And lovely adjustments at the end. Great corrections. Nice. It is quick, I can tell.
Yeah, it is.
I want to get used to this, you see.
Yeah.
It's a bit low. It's up in the 50, higher 50s, I think, once I get it warm. One more. Or do you carry on for now? Do you want rhythm? Do you want rhythm or do you want... Well ball. I love that adjustment, the horizontal bat adjustment. That's smart. Because you would have nailed it if you'd gone square drive, yeah? Yeah, keep visualising it. Yeah, like we visualised that sweep early doors that day, but don't force it. Good.
Drop.
See? Excellent. Yeah! When you pull that off, boy, you fell, boy. But twice the weight of him and twice the size, buddy. Come on. Well ball then. Waited, Kev. Smart cricket here from you. Oh, you fuck. You did the right thing, but too early or too late?
Too early.
Yeah. You can't get up with it?
No.
Grass wicket cricket.
Yeah. Too early, way too early.
Right idea to sweep though. Because then you know that you wouldn't have been done on height, it was more a question of timing science. Ball then.
Right.
Good, Kevin.
Okay.
Excellent, Kev. Really good. One more? Or just... Ball. Shot! First class, Kevin. You found that base now, ain't ya? Yeah, man. Press the bass button. Really good. You can hear the bass in the back. The bass. The bass. Shot! Kevin! Bend on those knees now, boy. Oh, please. Really good, Kev. I'll go again, eh? Unless you're ready.
Go on, please.
It's alright, Kev. You still got blood running through you. Ding dong. Yeah, exhale. Now it's gone down. Boom. Good cricket. Really good.
Best shot.
Kev, I'm swapping over to the purple ball. See what that does. Want to see if I can cycle through different balls and be okay with managing some sort of direction consistently. Good, Kev. Front foot through, out. Yeah, really good. Excellent base building. I'll go again.
I'll be alright.
Oh, right idea, Kev. Yeah, lower.
Oh, yeah. Good change.
Great respect, Kev. Lad.
Should have hit that.
I know. What? It's good change.
Shot, Kev. From the hips. Excellent, yeah. Really good. Excellent, man. Playing your shots, that's the thing. You can only bring the consistency up on your attacking shots by playing them. Don't worry about mistakes. Good. I'm going full technical with the fielding, loving it. That was brilliant. Shot! Sorry about that, kid.
It's alright.
No, but like, he wasn't supposed to. But to be fair, we don't need to apologise. You've actually done it. Dress rehearsal. And that was a front foot pull shot, brother. So heavy, this. Compared to the other one, it's so heavy. I've got to learn to use my body with it. Ball. Shot! Oh, Kevin! Shot, brother. Man, your transformation this winter. Lord Clark, they call that a metamorphosis in the animal kingdom. Really good, kid. Waiting! Solidity, my brother. Really good. That's looking good. Bold and play.
Hey, yeah. Hey.
Oh, good area.
Solid!
Kev.
Yeah, recognise
Good ball, lad.
the ball, Kev. One more, then.
Yeah.
Shot, Kevin! That's a horizontal bat. Really straight. You can duck it soon, mate. Yeah. Shot! Cut master! Excellent, Kevin. You did not give up on that shot. That's serious perseverance from you, my boy. Excellent.
That was a shock, Kev.
Yeah, man. I said to him, man, when he plays that cut,
Any boundaries, man?
getting that trademark shot going. Shot, Kevin! Front foot, brother!
Minimal movement.
Wow! Stay in the zone, brother. Really good. Smart, Kev, that's it. What's it good here? You're not trying to pummel the fuck out of everything. You're playing in natural scoring zones now. And it's nice to have scoring zones so you don't have to go after everything like a random plan. It's not just baseball. Baseball is required if the ball is there. Solid, Kev.
Good, Kev.
Really good, mate, yeah? Yeah, boy. Nice and smooth, yeah? Beautiful, smooth body language, Kevin. Not so smooth from you. Good. Yes, Kev. That's why you did the rehearsal then, didn't you, Kev? Yeah.
I know.
So I only did this rehearsal, hey? That's the key.
Yeah.
Because we lift, I do it, I go here, and we're both trying to go here now. Love the way he knows what to do, and I don't have to say shit. Solid.
Hey, Kev.
Wait, Kev, straighten that, show me straight a shadow. Okay.
Hold it.
Okay, first hold there.
Yeah.
You know the one you did earlier, the one that bounced? Yeah. Because otherwise it's a half shot.
Yeah, shot,
Yeah.
away.
It's going to all be clean. Hello, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah. 100%.
Hold it through.
Or kosher, whatever you want to call it. Well left! Well left, brother.
Sorry. Yeah.
So you try different things, haven't you? You know what I mean?
Love that accent. It's brilliant, man. Oh, we landed on a good country. The natives. Solid, Kev.
Hey,
You okay?
Kev.
You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Really good, mate. See, now I'm a little bit more warm, but this is why I want to
Yeah.
use it. And then what I'm going to do is a bit more over to the other side. I'm just going to fucking feel like you're going to come off the motorway after you're anointed. It's going to feel like that. So I'm going to get you ready for that change up. So that would be a captain's tactical ploy from both ends. Shot! Good!
Shot, yeah.
Good! This is good. Because with your natural batting talent, you're a run a ball game, the type of guy. Do you know what I mean? Run a ball type of guy. But it doesn't mean everything's got to go. Your fours make up for that. This is a hilarious game, isn't it? It's a fickle game. Oh, did you let that ball pitch?
No.
No.
Really?
Yeah, that's alright. All we do is just go back to the cheat code, innit?
Yeah.
It's the hardest thing is maintaining cheat code every ball. Now the banana, I feel wobbly, man.
Okay. You can. There's ages yet, but. Right.
I don't mind if you're on the back next. No, because we're not feeling the zone.
Nah, because otherwise you did that too long.
No.
Right, I'm in the right.
Because why? I don't know if I'm going to make it through.
You.
Well, because the batting will drain me and I have nothing left on side on. Good!
Kev.
Helicopter! Keep going, yeah. Really calm body language, you know. Love seeing this with him, Kevin, because he needs that old anger management anyway.
Yeah.
Ball. Oh, solid bastard, good, yeah. Bastard, good. What is it? It's just still fine, man. He's my poster boy, you know.
Yep.
Oh, yeah! Kevin! You just horizontal back that from full stop. Really good, did you? Excellent, brother. Love the way you're not making eye contact with me, so this shit don't go wild, innit? I told him don't look at anybody. You taught me the floor, and he's been looking at the floor the last session.
Yeah.
Waited. Having great use of the air.
Right.
First class, innit?
You can get a ball fucking exactly, man.
Next one, Kevin.
Too late. Way too late. Play the shot after the ball repeats and gone.
But if anything now, just go back to the simplicity, just the one cheat code. Because what can happen is we can go into the many, and the many is not where it's at. There's only one cheat code that helps your concentration. We discussed it. I did it today. When I didn't enter my cheat code, I got fucking rogered.
There's about 4 minutes left. Do you want to go or tonight?
You go.
Okay.
One more concentration after that, I'm gonna have to wait soon. Ball.
Ready, cricket on it?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll have the cricket. Bowling on. Well, seriously.
Kevin, do you want to finish on that one for this section?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice finish on a standard setter.
Bowling on.
No, go back to do 12 batting.
Solid. Does this actually get you ready for your Astro game?
One ball tomorrow.
Yeah, because that's what I mean, Astro game.
Yeah.
It should come off, like it should, you know what I mean? And then the weirdest thing is the week after you'll have to go into a different science.
Yeah.
Happy to finish with this? You want some spin?
Spin will be nice.
Yeah, not because that's what I'm asking, Kevin. Because you've got to come in next time you plan your lesson.
Yeah. Thing is, today, I know I'm going to get challenged by no matter what you brought me, so.
Give me a few to get warm. Go on. Got about 3 minutes before everyone gets in here, kid.
I'm just shadowing a lot more after every shot.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Nice way to create peace, isn't it? I always say it feels very meditative. I don't know how to sit legs crossed and meditate, but when I'm down there, I feel clean as fuck. Waited. Have you still planned? I figured it out, you know, kid.
It's all learning, man. We all learn every time we come here.
So I didn't ever think I'd have the away one. But it's more of a seamer and a swinger. Yeah. Shot, Kevin! Excellent, Kev. Really good for a big man, yeah? I was doing this in live play, man. Really good.
So the Joe Root and them, they got bounces.
Huh?
Joe Root and them spinners, they got bounces.
Go play, Kevla. Wait it.
You got these new school spinners like Jason Besson players like them.
And they don't turn it much, but they got good variety and pace changes. They're thinkers of the game. Shot, Kev! Excellent, you know. It's hard to drive in, but that is perfect, brother. Really good, Kev. Waited, Kev. Waited. Really good. Proud of you, kid.
Oh my gosh. That's pretty good.
Nah, man, we've done a lot of work, man. Bodies are broken, but you know what? Fucking worth it. In the name of peak performance, brother. Oh, sorry, Kev.
That was quite good, you know.
It was, but still not good enough.
Now, Ross, did you come out and thought, yeah, that's good.
Absolutely.
The thing is, it goes on, that's okay.
Potentially. Oh, you. It's just that other one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's working now.
It is. I thought it was going to come in. I played that into the school. No ball. Come on. Grab that, come on. Ball in that.
Cheers, buddy. Last one, Kev.
Yeah.
Finish strong. Shot! Excellent. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. All right. Very good, Kev.
muscular man.
That's
Dude,
tight.
don't
Things you
do
worked,
don't
innit?
break session, dude.
No, I'm just gonna get some Lucas in quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There, bro. Forward.
Timer's ready, whenever you've got ready.
Knees bending, man.
He is. I've been told, because I've got knee pain. I've been told to walk back to the treadmill. Because it uses more of my quad instead of my hamstring. So it strengthens around my knees.
Interesting. Get some good advice by the sound of it.